Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we'll be making fatayir spinach pie. If you don't know how to make the dough, go back to my dough video, watch it and then come back here. Okay, let's get started. What we need today, we need chopped spinach, sumac, olive oil, lemon juice. I put some crushed pepper with the olive oil. We need salt and onion. Wash the spinach good because the spinach collect a lot of sand. Then let it dry a little bit, then cut it. I didn't cut it too small here because I'm gonna be cooking them outside on the sage. But if you want to make the small pies, you have to cut it thinner. So I cut the spinach. I'm gonna cut the onion. You can cut it by hand, small pieces, or you can use a food processor or any small things to cut it. I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna cry too much today. Get some of the water out by mixing the spinach. You don't need too much water in the mixture because the dough will open if there is too much. I'm gonna put the sauce, this water, because it has lemon and salt, so I'm gonna keep them and try them after I mix them if I need to add some lemon to it. So now we are going to mix everything together. I'm gonna put them in the bigger bowl. I'm gonna add the sumac. I'm gonna add the oil. If you see big pieces, just take them out. So this is the mixture. I'm gonna try it to see if I need a little bit more lemon because the water took the lemon out. Perfect. Let me go wash my hands and I'm coming back. So if you need more lemon, you can add some more lemon to it. Just try it and make it like to taste. Salt, lemon and crushed pepper. It's up to you how much you like it soury or not. So now let's start making the pie. This is the dough. I'm gonna take one and roll it like that. Just take some like that. And you can put the stuffing inside as much as you like it, like if you like too much spinach. And okay, you have to close it from the middle, go from the back, connect them together like that. I'm putting some juice in it so it will stick to the side. Wow, beautiful. You just want to wait for them to get cooked from the other side now and your pie will be ready. It looks so good, it smells so good, so let's see if it tastes good. So good. Very, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching me and I will see you next week. Bye.